Guardforce AI, or just GFAI, can trace its roots back over 40 years, providing secured logistics services like cash in transit and transportation for banks, retailers, coin manufacturing mints, and government authorities. Its main revenue source comes from its operating subsidiary, GFAI, CIT. The growth of the CIT market in Thailand is attributed to the expansion of banking and financial sectors, as well as increasing retail businesses. However, the adoption of electronic cash poses challenges for the company. To adapt, they've started developing non-cash related solutions and services to diversify their revenue streams. They began rolling out robotic solutions during the COVID-19 pandemic and introduced Guardforce Digital Machine, GDM machines to chain retailers and public transportation authorities in 2023. GDM is a secure cash handling solution that allows retailers and banks to deposit and process cash safely and accurately. The GDM machine can be installed at customer sites, allowing for the safe storage and handling of cash. It also provides electronic reports and real-time data on sales for better cash flow forecasting. Express Cash Service is an extension of the Guardforce Digital Machine solution. It involves a mobile GDM installed in Guardforce's CIT vehicles that collect cash from retail customers at their sites. The cash is immediately processed inside the CIT vehicle, and the counting results are transmitted to GFAI, CIT headquarters, and the commercial bank. The bank then credits the counted amount to its customers' bank accounts. Similarly, the coin processing service involves the secure collection of coins from retail businesses and banks. Guardforce stores the coins and delivers them to the Royal Thai Mint, a subdivision of the Thai Treasury Department, Ministry of Finance. The company also provides cashier services at the Royal Thai Mint and uses its existing vehicle fleet to deliver coins from the Royal Thai Mint to bank branches and vice versa. Guardforce also provides secure international shipment services for high-value items such as diamonds and jewelry. The company receives consignments by air and delivers them to local customers in Thailand or vice versa. This secure logistics business offers various fee models such as dedicated vehicles service fees based on manpower costs, vehicle, and consumable item expenses. They also offer fixed collection or on-call service fees based on pre-agreed amounts per delivery, which consider factors like collection time, pickup delivery locations, and processing time. Guardforce operates a large fleet of 461 vehicles, including armored and soft-skinned pickups, vans, trucks, patrol vehicles, and administrative vehicles. They have dedicated garages staffed with in-house auto mechanics to maintain their vehicle fleet, located at head office and major branch locations. Additionally, they possess a logistics department that monitors garage operations to maintain the high standard of vehicle maintenance required for their services. The company's AI and robotic solutions business was established in 2020 to diversify revenue streams. They operate on a robots as a service model, purchasing robots from manufacturers and integrating value-added applications. Their mass adoption strategy involves offering free trials with the option to purchase or rent. As more robots were deployed, they developed their Guardforce AI Intelligent Cloud Platform, ICP, which manages robots, provides add-on services, and integrates third-party products. Expansions have involved partnerships in launching AI assistant solutions in sectors such as security, advertising, travel, and hospitality. They offer three main categories of AI and robotic service model: AI assistants, AI security agents, and AI advertising. The AI assistant uses T-Series robots' voice interaction hardware and GFAI's speech functionalities to provide personalized customer support in industries like retail, tourism, and hospitality. The AI security agent uses T-Series robots to assist personnel in managing tasks at various locations, integrating with access control systems. GFAI offers three solutions under this category: ticketing management, visitor management, and hotel self-check-in and checkout. Series robots provide security patrol services for public areas. AI advertising utilizes the 27-inch display screen of T-Series robots to offer promotional services, such as robot advertising in supermarkets and travel agencies. GFAI plans to develop more AI functions and integrate them into their platform to better understand customer needs and environmental information. The AI and robotics solutions business has 4 fee structures. The first is a sale of AI and robotics solutions with add-on technical support service. The second is a rental of AI and robotics solutions through a robots as a service model with regular payments based on usage frequency. The third model is an advertising service by displaying robots in public spaces and leasing ad space on the robot screen. Then the fourth model is as a solution provider offering customized development services with revenue from product sales, leasing, service fees for functionality usage, and custom development services. At first, general security solutions were provided through the acquisition of Beijing Wanjia on June 22, 2022. Beijing Wanjia offers smart retail operation management, CCTV and security alarm operation, and security engineering and maintenance services. With almost 30 years of experience in the industry, it has an established service network covering more than 600 cities in China and strong brand reputation. Major clients include Starbucks, China, Watson's, Luke Fook Jewelry, Xiaobu Xiaobu, and Agape Optical. The secured logistics industry in Thailand has competitors ranging from international companies like Brinks to local CIT competitors. GFAI expects increased competition to impact pricing strategies. Some banks have their own CIT subsidiaries exclusively serving them. Despite this competitiveness, GF Cash believes they possess advantages such as nationwide coverage, flexible operations, experienced staff, long-term partnerships, and recent appointments by the BOT. Guardforce has been adapting to competition by focusing on merging ICP and CTP infrastructure to reduce costs and ensure consistency in service experience across all regions. They aim to enhance their R&D team to develop AI-related applications for improved robot solutions in tourism and retail industries. Collaborations with third-party AI companies center on promoting upgraded AI and robotics solutions for customers in banking, government, hotel, and hospital sectors, primarily in China, Thailand, Hong Kong, Malaysia, and Singapore. GFAI prioritizes generative AI development using open-source frameworks and customer data to provide customized intelligent assistance. They state they'll be cautious when selecting new customers and focus on industries with long-term connections to their current business. Their competitors are mostly Chinese and Japanese robotics manufacturers, but they believe their existing distribution network, over 40 years of experience, established foundation for robots as a service, AI frameworks, and so-called customer free trial business model give them a competitive edge. In order to focus on the Chinese market's hospitality, healthcare, property management, and government sectors, they acquired Shenzhen GFAI and Guangzhou GFAI, while trying to merge its Intelligent Cloud Platform, ICP, and Cloud Technology Platform, CTP, infrastructure to reduce labor and costs. Now, although Guardforce is striving to remain competitive, they still have a high level of customer concentration, with a limited number of customers accounting for a significant portion of their recent revenues, with only a few customers making up a majority of their revenue. These customers are often a state-owned bank, commercial banks, and/or retail customers. To diversify, GFAI is targeting a retail customer base, especially in upcountry provinces, as well as entrance into new service sectors. Then more broadly speaking, another concern relates to the decline in cash usage, which they intend to counteract by creating new revenue streams, such as cash management solutions for banks and retail chains, multifunction machines, and coin solutions for minting facilities. They're also developing non-cash security tech like robotics, information security, and data analytics, including AI. However, there's a possibility that these initiatives may not sufficiently mitigate the risks to their traditional cash-based business. Lastly, it has been noted the company licenses the Guardforce trademark from Guardforce Security, Thailand Company Limited, allowing them to use it in Thailand for promoting their cash-in-transit business and certain ancillary services. This license is valid for 3 years and can be renewed or canceled with prior notice. However, there's a potential risk that they may not be able to use the trademark in the future, which could negatively impact their business. For more on Guardforce AI and other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.